Good morning. Welcome back to the channel. So I had to order a new muffler, and I also ordered some manifold gaskets for the M602. I got the muffler in yesterday. Both ends were kind of out of whack a little bit. I'm gonna set y'all down for a second and pull it out. This end right here was smashed up pretty good, but I just took a pair of my big linemans and a hammer, stuck it inside the outlet, and just kind of hammered it back into position. So what I'm gonna do today is try to test fit it. I don't want to put it on permanent because I still have those manifold gaskets to replace. Let me take you out here. It rained all day yesterday. I actually got those parts in yesterday, but it rained all day. Anyway, so if you don't know, on an M602, it's a one-piece hood. So it's kind of heavy. I'm doing it by myself, but anyway, so when I took the old muffler off, I just put the flat cap back in there. So anyway, let me get this thing off. I don't know if I can put y'all somewhere where y'all can see this or not. Let me see if you'll. I'm not sure if you can. All right, give me just a second to figure out where I can put you. I'll be back. Okay, I'm back. Let's test fit this dude on there. Not the best view, I apologize, but let me test fit the cap. Yeah, I think that'll work. For the muffler. I don't know. God dang it. Yeah, I don't know. I'm gonna have to make this a little wider, and I don't know if these slits on the side are long enough to fit around that. But we'll see. I'm gonna take it inside and beat on it for a little bit. Cut that off before I was ready. little spark. See what she's looking like. Little brakes on. Also, if I turn the fuel on. Alright, sometimes I forget that I had to go back and put that electric fuel pump on because the gravity feed was basically even or lower than the carburetor intake. So that's what I forgot to do a minute ago. Hit the switch for the fuel pump and then ignition. And, anyway. But got it running. Take the gauges. Got oil pressure. Still need a tank gauge. See if that warms up any. Fuel doesn't work. The amp doesn't work. There's no fuel pump switch. Make this bracket. Keep that on. Alright. So this is the problem. The alternator's not charging the battery. Alright, mechanically I think that's all I'm going to do on her today. So I need a new battery because that one doesn't hold the charge, and two, I need a new alternator because that one's not charging the battery at all. So I think that's it for today. She ran pretty good while she was running. If I could just remember that I have to turn on that electric fuel pump. I know it's not factory, but just didn't seem, I don't know how they had it run before. Most old Minneapolis Molines I see have the little glass sediment bowl, and the fuel comes out of the bottom of that. But if it had that on, they would stick that outlet nozzle like an inch and a half, 2, maybe even 3 below the carburetor inlet side. So I don't know how that was. I mean, it wasn't working. Maybe it does on a full tank of gas, but Anyway, so I don't have a full tank of gas in it. I want to get it running good first, where I can just go out there, start it up, and do whatever I want to with it. So new battery, new alternator. I might even go ahead and get that 12-volt conversion kit. It's kind of half right now, where the coil and that has the resistor on it to make it 6 volts to the starter. But I may do that. But in the meantime, the most important things are a new battery, new alternator, and she should be running pretty good by then. She sounded good once I finally got her running and had the electric fuel pump on. So anyway, I'm signing off for now, and I'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.